Okay, welcome to part 5, sewing in your signatures. I do want to say one thing about this wardrobe that we're making. When I tie mine, the first times I was tying it, I was tying the traditional tie, this overhand knot, and then make your rabbit ears or whatever you call it and tie it. But then you've got this extra piece to extra knot to undo. So I was remembering that if you make an ear, so to speak, wrap your other side around and tuck it through where your thumb is, you get a very nice tightenable bow. And then when you want to undo it, you just pull on it and open. You don't have that extra knot to undo. Okay, just a tip there. All right, now we are going to put in our signatures, and I think, just so I don't have the bulk, I am going to remove my ephemera that's in here. I think those can stay. All right, so here's the 2 signatures we prepared in video 4, part 4. I want to use this Baker twine. I think it's a cute, it'll be a cute trim on this side down our spine. So what I did, I have waxed this, and this is it, and I think this is older than old, but there are so many colors of Baker's twine now. You can find almost any color. But I've cut myself a length. This is probably about 1 yard, and I've run it through this beeswax bar. I was at Hobby Lobby, and I know I've seen it in other sewing areas of different stores. And all you do, and the reason you even do this, it makes it easier to sew with. It doesn't come unraveled. So I'm going to hold my finger on there and pull. And you can see my little ridges. And this just slides down in there. And it puts a fine layer of beeswax on your cord. You can hear it. All right, so this is ready, and I think when I look at this, we're going from here to here, so I need 1, 2, and some. Is that, I'm just going to cut in half. Oop, I hit the camera, so sorry. Stop. You can stop. Okay, so let's get our needle. Where's my needle? It was right here. If there's anything that I can lose, it's probably going to be my needle. Oh, come on. You were right here. There it is. Okay. So I'm going to, I like to use a blunt needle. I think it's called for needle point. And I don't have a lot of wax on that right there because I've cut it, but that's okay. It'll go in. All right. So I've got my needle threaded. I need my holes for my spine. And I'm going to still line these up just like this. We'll just match up our holes. So as you see, those will go right in there, like that. Okay? I have this piece of styrofoam that it came out of some packaging. So I'm going to put that behind my spine, just like that. just like that. And I am going to, first of all, poke the holes in this. And there. I'm going to make them just a bit bigger. All right. Here we go. Everything wants to get underneath it. Okay. Put that down right there and there. And punch the hole or poke the hole. I'm going to make it a little bigger. And I'm going to do the other side at the same time. Get that in that spine. And punch and punch. And oh, that's a sneak peek. This is coming next. Part 6. A sneak peek of the folio on the back. I'm just poking through this way. It kind of will take that extra that the all pushed through and push it back into the front. All right, here we go. I think. So as these are in here, it'll be like that and like this. I think I'm going to put the shoes over here and this blue over here. All right, first one in. Got my needle and it's all threaded. Do I want my knot inside or outside? And I think I want it inside. So I'm going to start from the inside. I'm going to go in through that top hole. This is a 2-hole pamphlet stitch. So I only have to go through 2 holes. I'm going to come in there. And then find this hole. I'm sorry, you can't see probably. Find that hole. Gently pull it through. Sorry about my air conditioner on. It's pretty early in the morning here in Georgia, but we're having some heat. It's summer. I'm taking off my needle, putting it hopefully where I can find it again. And I'm going to pull this so it's a little more even. Okay. Then I'm going to do left over right. And another thing that the wax linen does, it kind of grabs each other so that you can tie a knot a little easier. It just doesn't come right undone. So there's that, and then right over left, making a square knot and tightening that up. And I am trimming them off. I don't want any little dangles. It'll be just a little too much. All right, so there is our first signature. Let's flip that over. Let's get our other one ready. Let's get that needle threaded again. Just like this. All right, and we are going in to out. So in there, through that first hole. Pull that through. down to the bottom hole. Find the bottom hole in the signature. Make sure we're going through all the pages. Looks like they have become separated a little bit from each other. There they are. And come up through there. You can't see, I'm on an angle, I'm sorry, but I'm going through that bottom hole and then the bottom hole of the signature. Gently pull it through. I've got my ribbon is being a pain. Okay. And I unfrayed some of it. Okay. Come on, pull through. There we go. Pull this through. This one. Which one's the loose one? There we go. There. Okay, that's nice. There. Let's get rid of the, not get rid of the needle, but put that aside. And I go left over right. I think it's usually said right over left, and I'm not left-handed, but for some reason I do that. I see some of my ribbon fray. Okay. And then right over left. Come on, grab it and give it a nice tighten and trim. Let's remove this clip. And that will go like that. And that's like that and that. And let's tie it that different way. You can tighten that pretty tight. All right, and as we look down in, we can see our signatures. You don't see them on the bottom because you've got the box. Then all you have to do is pull one of the strands and it opens. Here's one signature. And our second signature. So if you're going to write in this, you could keep that like that. This one flips to this side. Great. Let's put our ephemera back in. All right. Let's jump over here. That in there, that there. Let's open that up. Let's get the girdle in there. And that one down there. Got that in there. All right, I think that's all I took out for this moment. So let's fold that, back in, and we have our signatures. So this is what you'll see on the spine. Of course, if you did the longer one without the pocket box, it would go from here to there. You could use elastic. I've given you quite a generous spine. You could do 2 holes and do the elastic, so you could remove those signatures. All right, that's part 5. I hope that you will check out my Etsy shop and look at the different kits I have to offer. The white wardrobe kit, it will be available, and it comes with a scad of papers for you to use. All right. Hey, thank you so much for watching. Take care. I'll be back. Bye-bye.